Hello and welcome to this tutorial, and thanks for stopping by to check out this tutorial. Please make sure you subscribe to our channel, like this video, and go to tutorialsexcel.com for discounts on online training courses. Now in this tutorial we will see how we can create a Azure function. Now there are different templates for the Azure function. Make sure you have the toolkit for the Azure function installed. Select the appropriate tab you want. I prefer to use the HTTP trigger, which will create a function that will run when it's received an HTTP request. Now, in case you don't know, the HTTP or the Azure function is a serverless architecture functions, let's say, that will be triggered based on certain conditions, and it's part of the serverless architecture. Now we're just waiting for the restoring of the packages. Let's try to build this. And yes, we have a successful build and we have a successful compilation. Now our function is really simple right here, and let me explain it to you. The function, if you notice, we have it inside a class. This class has inside it a function name. This attribute will indicate the name of the function. I'm gonna call it myfunc. Now we have here the run method. This run method is actually the heart of our function, and it is the method responsible for running the function. Here we have the HTTP trigger attribute, which has some parameters such as what is the authorization level for this function. If you want to have it only triggered by admin or other system user, I'm gonna just make it anonymous. Here you can have some different data, other data. If you notice inside the parameters, the methods, also the route. Also it take this attribute is for the HTTP request, and also it has the log, which will log the information. Now here we just have some really sample request that will take the name right here and gonna later on return it as capital letter. And if you notice, it's return the OK object result, which indicate a successful results running from the function, or the bad request that you did not send the correct data. Now you can also try to run your function locally, and if you have the appropriate things, you will have the emulator up and running, and it will allow you to run your function. Notice at the end it's gonna give you an URL. I'm gonna take this URL. I'll head over to my browser and run this for you. Notice that we can see this result. We need to pass the name over here. And notice we can see the result of the function running. You can also come down here. Let's place a breakpoint. Let's head back over here and refresh, and you can debug. You can see the log, you can see the request, and so on, even the data that is coming from the from the route. Okay, you can see even the keys over here. Now for sure your functions will be more complex, more interactive, and it will have more functionality. And notice that you can see, like, each time your function executed, you can see in the console how much time did it take, and so on. Now for sure you don't want to stop over here just to have your function running locally. You want to have your functions uploaded to the cloud. To do so, hit right click and select publish. Notice here you will have the ability to select the function deployment method. I'm gonna select the Azure function consumption plan. I'm gonna create a new profile, publish a profile for this. The consumption plan will be like executed only, like it will be built only when you are calling the Azure function. Now I need to sign into my account, so let me do that. So after you create your function successfully, you will be presented with the publish like this. You will have the address of your function, so you can access it directly on Azure. Okay, it's gonna take like some time for it to be like up and running. Okay, so let's try it out. Okay, we need to publish it. Visual Studio will help you with this. It will publish everything almost for you. Now again, this is a little bit long operation. It's gonna take like some time until the function is sent to the Azure and it's deployed. So now we have successfully published our application, and it shall be like available on the address that is provided, so we can like access it and see the result. Let's do that. I'll go to the resource explorer over here. Okay, as you can see, you can do different operation on it, but we wanna like be able to run it and see the Azure function up and running. So now if we head over to the browser with the URL, make sure you type in /API/name of your function, so you can be able to access the data of your function. Okay, if you don't pass anything like this, you will receive this error. So as you can see, creating a function with Azure function is quite easy, simple, it doesn't take much time, and you can do it throughout Visual Studio, and you will be able to publish everything to the cloud directly. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it useful. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, go to tutorialsxl.com for updated resources. Thank you for watching.